Hi, welcome to today's episode of my Career Q&A series. If you're just joining me, my name is Tina Ekayeme. I'm an oncology clinical trial manager, a career mentor. I am also an immigrant who successfully built a career in corporate America. In this series, I answer real career questions and share practical strategies to help immigrants confidently navigate the US job market. Now, let's answer today's question. Can you transition from healthcare into clinical research? Absolutely. In fact, some of the best clinical research professionals I know started somewhere else in healthcare. And this is the truth, right? I have worked with nurses, pharmacists, physicians, medical laboratory scientists, radiology technologists, even people from public health and healthcare administration. And this is something you need to understand. Clinical research is not about starting over. It is about transferring your skills. For example, if you've cared for patients, documented medical records, collected specimens, explained procedures, administered medications, or even worked with healthcare regulations, you already have skills that are valuable in clinical research. The mistake many people make is applying with a generic healthcare resume. That is going to be another topic, how to create your resume. What you want to do is you want to tailor your resume to highlight transferable skills like patient care, documentation, regulatory compliance, attention to detail, data collection and data entry, communication and teamwork. The next thing you want to do is to learn the fundamentals of clinical research. You need to understand good clinical practice, informed consent, protocol compliance, and how clinical trials really work. Then you have to be strategic with the roles you apply for. Depending on your background, you can start as a clinical research coordinator, clinical research nurse, clinical trial assistant, data coordinator, regulatory coordinator, and you can grow from there. Remember that I didn't build my career overnight. I started at the site level, then I gained experience, I kept learning, and today I lead oncology clinical trials. So it's not an overnight thing. You need to just start from somewhere, get your foot in the door. So if you're thinking of transitioning into clinical research, do not let fear stop you. Your healthcare experience is an advantage, not a limitation. Now I want to hear from you. What healthcare role are you currently in, and are you interested in transitioning into clinical research? I will tell you this. Do not let fear stop you. Just start. Start from somewhere. Get your foot in the door, and then you can grow from there. I'll see you in my next episode. Until next time.